Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa came home late, so I don't have much time to prepare my dinner. I go and look at my cabinet. Inside my cabinet, I found this 扣肉, yeah, 红烧扣肉, which is stewed pork slice, yeah. So I'm going to make show you how you can make a canned food to become a very nice full-blown dish dinner. All right. So I'm going to add potato. Yeah, I cut the potato into wedges, and don't forget, every time you cut your potato, put it in under water. If not, it can actually get oxidized very quickly. Then I have some instant fuzu. Yeah, dried. This is fried beancurd actually, instant one. So meaning I can just throw it in towards the end of the cooking. Yeah, some dried beancurd you do need to cook it like 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, depending on the different kind of beancurd you are be using. There's no particular brand. Yeah, you can use any brand that you can find. Once a while, Appa also eat canned food. All right, okay. So I'm going to separate the meat and the sauce. All right, so here's the sauce, the braised sauce, and also the meat. I'll be using the braised sauce first. All right, get a deeper wok. Put in the braised sauce. I'm going to add some filtered water. Because I've already diluted the braised sauce, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in a little bit more flavor. Of course, first of all is the light soy sauce. And a little bit of dark soy sauce. A little bit of Shaoxing wine. A bit of salt. A bit of sugar. And let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, we can then put in our potato wedges. So you want to cook your potato for at least 15 to 20 minutes, yeah? Depending on the types of potato you are using. From my experience, the one I'm using, I need about 15 to 20 minutes. On second thought, I don't mind adding in one piece of the meat and break it up, just to give this broth or this braised broth more deeper flavor or richer flavor, yeah? Because I have quite a few bits of pork belly here. Boiling, close it, tune down to medium low, and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I will probably come back about 15 minutes. I don't mind giving it a little bit more added flavor, putting in some fried shallot. Optional. This is coming to almost 20 minutes. Let me just put in the braised pork belly. Already it looks very, very legit, isn't it? Now I'm putting in my fried fuzu. This is the instant type of fuzu, so 1 minute cooking is more than good enough. And this is my wife's most favorite. This is actually the hot pot fuzu, yeah, hot pot fermented beancurd. See, immediately it softened. Right, of course now you can still use, before serving, you can use salt and also sugar to adjust the taste. For me, I'll just give it some final dash of white pepper. Done. Here's my serving plate. Wow. Ooh, super fragrant. So here's my very simple dinner made using canned food. Yeah, if you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Mind you, canned pork nowadays is actually quite expensive. I think this one is probably close to 20 ringgit already, one can. So I hope you like my very simple video today. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.